It's Ruthie's birthday. She is turning 3 years old, which is so sad because I'm like, you're not free into the Disney parks anymore. But Hello Disney family and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad that you've chosen to stop by. I would love for you to stick around, so go ahead and hit that little red subscribe button so we can get to know each other. But without further ado, it's Ruthie's birthday. She is turning 3 years old, which is so sad because I'm like, you're not free into the Disney parks anymore. But I still love you, so I'll keep taking you. Everybody knows that they love their child to be under 3 because you're like, you're free, you're free, you're free, you're free. I mean, I talk about it all the time. I'm like, my kids are free. They're free. So I guess maybe I'm only gonna take Rosie. I don't know. I'm just kidding. Of course I'm gonna take Ruthie. She's like a joy. But obviously she's turning 3 years old, and so I wanted to share her very Disney birthday haul with you. So let's get started. So my plan with this is to actually do a series, and by series I mean there may be 2 videos that there will definitely be 2 videos that come out of this, maybe 3. We will see. I'd like to do a 3rd installment. We'll just see how Ruthie does because she's got to be a part of that 3rd video. But there's at least going to be 2, and I'll give you a little hint. The 2nd video is going to be a DIY birthday tour. If you don't know what that means, you will soon find out because I will soon be sharing it with you. But let's get started, at least the things that need to go on this birthday tour. But Ruthie loves mystery packs. She loves mystery packs and she loves art projects. So she's first got this Disney Crossy Road. It looks like this. Yeah. I don't know, they're like mystery hangers. So, I don't know, they're just like little, they're these cute little mystery hangers. I don't know how else to describe them, but they're a mystery pack and she loves mystery packs. And then she's got these 2 different washi tapes, which I actually got from the Dollar Tree. So let's start with, there's a princess one. So there you go. And then this Tsum Tsum one. Like I said, she's very into art projects and she loves tape, so the paper tape is like a really great choice for her. These are not Disney, but she loves Pez dispensers, so I got her 2 little emoji Pez dispensers. One is like a crying, laughing face, and the other is like a happy face. I don't know if I can get you guys to see it. I'm trying. I swear I'm trying. Okay, there we go. There they are. Next are, okay, so these are the Disney fairies, and she just loves these like mix and match. She just loves this kind of stuff. And this is Rosetta. So, there's Rosetta. Obviously that is not a fairy. That is an outfit to change into Rosetta. So she's got these different outfits. She's got a carrying little bucket. Obviously her cowboy hat. This was one of those awesome deals that was from Toys R Us when it was closing. Next I got her Shopkins. Now Shopkins is owned by Moose Toys, which is also the same as the people who do Disney Doorables. If you did not see that unboxing, I will link that above. But Ruthie is very into these like Disney Doorables and the Shopkins. She loves it. So here is this little Shopkins for her to do, and then they have one mystery one in the center. Now most of this stuff I got, we have something called the 99-cent only store, which kind of takes big box items. I have bought Shopkins at the 99-cent only store. They had these like little mystery boxes that I bought, but of course Ruthie unboxed them all. But that Shopkins I got from Marshall's, and then I told you I got it for $2.99. The fairies, sorry, I'm just gonna do a real quick price thing. The fairies, I don't remember, cheap. It was from Toys R Us, so you can't get it from there anymore. But I will try and link as much of this stuff as I can below. I'll do it because I do like big box stuff, or like from like inexpensive stores where they bought like a mass of it and they sell it for cheaper. I will just link the Amazon links below, I guess, because I can't link 99-cent only, I can't link Dollar Tree. I mean, I can link Dollar Tree, but you have to buy like a bunch of them. Anyway, go to Dollar Tree if you want it. Go to Marshall's, they sell them all over. But I will link the Amazon links below, so everything for this will be down below. Okay, next are these little Hatchimals eggs, and then also this little cocoa pack. These were Toys R Us stuff, but I will link as much as I can below anyway. She loves Peppa Pig. So Peppa Pig, and she's so into makeup, you guys. I mean, she looks at me. If I ever do my makeup, she's always like, Mommy eyes, Mommy lipsticks. And I'm like, I know. So I got her these 2 little Peppa Pig lip glosses, which I just think is cute, you know? I mean, it's just like little kid stuff. But I got this from the 99-cent only store. So, 99 cents. That's how much I spent on it. Y'all, what can I say? Also from the 99-cent only store, I got her some markers. I told you, loves art projects, 99 cents. This is a mini styling head, once again, from Toys R Us. So it was, or Babies R Us. It was, you know, 70% off, $5. So what was it? 70% off, $5. $1.50? Yeah, probably $1.50. And then she also got these, oh, she loves these little Tsum Tsum key rings. This was another Toys R Us. And then this other mini styling head, which is Belle. The first one was Rapunzel, if you didn't catch that. Obviously, $1.50. Okay, this was also from the 99-cent only store, so it was $1. She loves Minions too. Guys, she's just like, basically you guys, if they advertise it, she wants it. So, she loves Minions. Got her little Minions key ring. I got her this Incredibles mystery box. She has a couple of them. Actually no, it's horrible. She kept getting the mine guy, the bad guy. I felt bad, I bought her 2 of them and she got both of them, so hopefully this is a better mystery box. But this is the Owlette light up figure, it's PJ Masks. Oh my gosh, the glare, y'all. The glare is real, there we go. There she is, she lights up. And it's also got like a little bracelet. So that's pretty cute. And then last but not least, this resealable Dough Dots surprise pack. So like, it's just got Play-Doh in it with a little, it's Play-Doh with a surprise character cutter. This was also from the 99-cent only store. So if you guys can't tell, I spent $10 on my daughter's birthday. I'm just kidding. No, I spent more than $10. No, I'm just kidding. I spent more than $10 on her birthday because there was one thing she really, really wanted, and I'm gonna show it to you right now. So my nephew got this for the holidays last year, and Ruthie played with it the whole time, and she loves it. And she has kind of like a more jankety ice cream set, but this is the really nice Melissa and Doug ice cream set, and it's got like all different kinds of ice cream. We love Melissa and Doug, for the record. I love Melissa and Doug. Like everything in my house is Melissa and Doug, besides Prize Packs. Prize Packs and Melissa and Doug. But this has like magnets and stuff on it so you can scoop the ice creams. But here's the kicker. I found this in the clearance section because it was a return. It was a return at Target for an online item, so they mark them 50% off. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this. It is a $40 value, and I got it for $19.56. So I was very happy, especially since I know it's something she really wanted. But I will link the Amazon link below. No, just kidding. I will link it below. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I can't wait to show you how it turns out onto her birthday door, her DIY birthday door. I can't wait to show you guys. This was a tradition that's been done in my family since I was a little kid, and I am now passing it on to my little girls. So if you are excited for that, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it because it really helps me figure out what kind of content you guys are enjoying. And if you want Ruthie to do, so the third installment of this video would obviously be Ruthie unboxing the stuff or opening the things. And if you want to see that, go ahead and leave me a comment down below and let me know, because just let me know and I can let Ruthie know, and then maybe Ruthie will do it. So like I said, if you have enjoyed my Disney family, I would love to see you back here. We have a lot of fun on this channel, and I would love to get to know you. So go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, click that little bell, and as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. See you guys real soon.